So guys, so I'm gonna show you how you can use a mockup. So first you need to download it and then just open your mockup file. You'll receive a PSD inside that folder. So just double click on it, so it will open in Photoshop like that, and you see the layers over here. You see your logo here. Every mockup has indication in its layer files that where you need to put your file. So here you go, your logo here. So we need to put our logo here, but not right here. Just watch it. You need to click here and you see double click to change the logo. So whenever you see this kind of icons over a layer, that means that layer is particularly editable in a new tab. So you just need to double click on it, and it will open like that in a new tab. What you need to do is just simply drag your file out of your computer over here, or go to file, place embedded, and find your logo wherever it is. I'll just find mine. And then you just need to open your logo file here like that. When it is done, just simply delete that layer. Delete this layer. Just press delete, or you need to click over here, select that layer and click over here, delete, and click yes, and it's done. Now what you have to do is go to file and click save, and then go back to the main mockup PSD file over here, and you see that is done. So this is how you can easily replace anything in a mockup file without any extra effort and very easily. So I'll show you one more, like, let me see. So I have something over here, 3D logo mockup with dark wooden. Let's see what's that. I'll double click on it and then double click on it, I mean the PSD file obviously, and then I receive this file over here. So replace this screen. As I told you, there will be indication in the mockup file layer section that which layer you need to edit and which not to mess with. So I'll just double click on it and it will open like that. What I need to do is just simply double click on it, and then I need to put my logo out here. I'll just drag it and place my logo here and delete the other files and click save. So one step is done, and actually there are two layer tabs to save. So when this one is done, you need to click save again, and so our main file is right out here. So this is how the mockup works. Let me show you one more for your clarification. I'll close the tabs and go to here. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we have a medal. I think okay, let's do this. This will be interesting. So I have this one, a smartphone. So I'm gonna open the PSD file, double click on it, open it on my Photoshop, and then just find that where to put my text and where to put my image. So it's clearly mentioned here, your text here, your image here. So I'm not gonna edit the text, I'm gonna just edit the image. So I'm gonna click here and let's see what you got. So here is a smart object, double click on it and here it is. So what we're gonna do is just put our logo out here, or maybe an image. So I'm just gonna look on my computer downloads if I have any image files. Okay, so let's put this one. I'll simply drag and drop it. I'll just drag and drop it over here, and because it is rotated like that, so you need to click rotate 90. So it's like that, and I'll put it here like this, and just simply create a background of this color and delete this one and click save. Let's see what we got. Oh, here we go. So we got this. Here is our mockup file. So you see how easily that is changed. I just pressed Control Z, I mean to undo what I've done, and see, it was the original one, and I'll press Control Z, Control Shift Z once again, so it's redo. So this is the output we got. You see the clarity, the quality is very good. And if you wanna just change this text over here, you have to click over here, and then you see you can edit this text. So I'll just name it my blog name. Here you go. So that's a very clean output we got, and this is very easy to work with. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments below, or you can comment in the blog as well. Thank you.